Welcome to the My Channel Global Car, where we bring you the latest and most exciting updates from the world of cars. If you love innovation, speed, and that unique European style, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated Italian cars of 2026. While official details are still closely guarded, leaks and rumors suggest something truly spectacular is on the horizon. Automobili brands like Ferrari, Lamborghini, and Maserati are all reportedly preparing something fresh for 2026. But one of the biggest names making waves is Alfa Romeo, with its rumored electric supercar, expected to redefine Italian performance with futuristic design and next-level technology. Another day, rather, the new chassis out of car is expected to feature a fully electric drivetrain, possibly offering up to 1,000 horsepower, with an expected 0 to 100 km/h time of under 2.5 seconds. This machine is being built not just for speed but also for relevance and precision on the road. The exterior is likely to follow the Italian design philosophy: sleek, aerodynamic curves, aggressive bed lighting, and light-away carbon fiber elements. Low slung body and dynamic air vents may offer not only aesthetics but advanced airflow for better performance. Inside, luxury and minimalist leather meets tech, a fully digital dashboard, driving assistant, and even biometric access systems can be part of the package. Expect voice command, facial recognition, and a deeply personalized driving experience. Perhaps the most exciting part: this car can be a limited edition, making it not just a vehicle, but a collector's dream. Whether it's designed for track, road, or both, Italy is once again showing